What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another video on these 2016 Lexus GS. As you can see, if you see my previous video about the GS, we're still using the same hood. You can see where the hood was damaged. We try to patch that back together. You know, we're gonna sand it down. It's gonna come out perfectly. All this we're still gonna adjust all this. You can see work is still going on. We got a new headlight for it. This we're gonna line it up, make sure everything is perfect by the time we're done with it. And also over here in the back, where you actually pushed in, you can see the what we actually done on that, right? We've actually worked on this body part, work on that. That's been perfect. So everything has been good on their side. And also on the trunk, we're still work in progress. We're working on the trunk right there. You can see very soon I'm gonna push this out and try straighten that up. And other than that, and I'll show you guys another thing from this other side too. Instead of buying a new fender, we're trying to work on the fender out as well. You can see what I actually done on the fender, so they can see the car is actually coming back together. And as we're working, we're drinking some beer as well. You can see everything is coming back together. And also that we don't have to buy another one. We actually straighten this back out, so everything is perfect. So everything is perfect right there. We don't have to buy another one, because to buy this part, they're pretty expensive, man. So by the time we're done, we're just gonna clean it and everything is gonna be neat. This car, you can see the engine is still pretty good, man. Still pretty neat, you can see. But you can see the progress we've made on this Lexus GS, guys. The parts are pretty expensive, man. The hood is actually going for $1,000. That's a lot of money. What's up, brother? See, guys, this is the progress right now on this car. The progress right now on this car. So by the time in the next 1 week, we should be done with the car. In the next 1 week, we should be done. It's the sport package. You can see, guys, that's the current situation on this truck, on this car right now. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it.